that was carrying EVMs and poll personnel. Moving on now, Sonia Gandhi yesterday lashed out at the BJP for spreading hatred in the country. In fact, she said that BJP's only aim was to gain power at any cost and that it promotes hatred for their own political gains. Sonia Gandhi also added that in every part of the country, the youth are facing issues of unemployment, the women feel unsafe, Dalits and minorities are also suffering intense discrimination. This environment, she says, is because of the intent of the Prime Minister and the BJP who want to win power at any cost.
मेरे प्यारे भाइयों और बहनों, आज देश के हर कोने में युवा बेरोजगारी, महिलाएं अत्याचार, दलित, आदिवासी, पिछड़े और माइनॉरिटीज भयंकर भेदभाव झेल रहे हैं। ऐसा माहौल प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी और भाजपा की नीयत की वजह से है। उनका ध्यान किसी भी कीमत पर सिर्फ सत्ता हासिल करना है। राजनीतिक लाभ के लिए नफरत को बढ़ावा दिया है। कांग्रेस पार्टी और मैंने हमेशा सभी की तरक्की और वंचितों को न्याय दिलाने के साथ देश को मजबूत करने के लिए संघर्ष किया। आज मैं फिर आपका समर्थन मांग रही हूँ।
Well, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has hit back at what you just heard from Sonia Gandhi over the alleged hatred remark, to which the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh has said, and I quote, Sonia Gandhi should learn the habit of speaking the truth. Government under Prime Minister Modi believes in Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat.
कांग्रेस के मंसूबे पूरे नहीं हो पाएंगे और कम से कम श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी को सच बोलने की आदत डालनी चाहिए। चुनाव के दौरान जनता की आंखों में धूल झोंक करके अब ये देश की सत्ता नहीं हथिया पाएंगे, क्योंकि पूरा देश मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत के दर्शन कर रहा है और आत्मनिर्भर और विकसित भारत की संकल्पना को साकार करने के लिए पूरा देश मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में कार्य करने के लिए आज एकजुट होकर के दिखाई दे रहा है। कांग्रेस को इस प्रकार का सफेद झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए।
Pallavi Ghosh joins us now for more on this. Pallavi, the last time Sonia Gandhi did speak was when she took a dig at the Prime Minister, accusing the BJP of carrying out a systematic effort to cripple the Congress party financially. What has prompted Sonia Gandhi to speak up again, where she has taken potshots at the BJP, accusing them of spreading hate?
Well, see, Sonia Gandhi is not seeing actively campaigning because of her health reasons. But, you know, when she says something, it really evokes very strong reactions coming in from the BJP. Her track record, in sharp contrast to her son, has been very successful, ensuring that the Congress came to power twice over. So I think that the Congress entering into a decisive phase has also decided to unleash their trump card. And she's making the same point, which in fact, frankly speaking, even Rahul Gandhi has been making. That you know how the backwards, the poor are lagging behind. And India, which is being seen by the India Front and by the Congress Party, is going to be very different. It's going to be one which is equal, where development is going to be taking place for everyone. But we are going to see an equally strong counter coming in either from the PM and of course now for the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, actually trying to show the mirror to the Congress Party that what were you doing when you were here for 10 years in power? How the inequality has changed, has increased, and how only a particular section or a minority were the ones who are being pampered at the cost of the rest of the people.
Right, just kindly stay on with me, Pallavi. We've just received some more breaking news.